Welcome to the video from DigitalLifestyle.com, a new Windows 11 build to look at. Let's get straight to it.
Build 22543 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. A couple of interesting changes to this build. They've introduced more natural voices for Narrator. So Narrator is the application that enables screen reading, so it can read things out like what's on the browser and key inputs and that kind of thing. It's a good accessibility feature, and Microsoft have added a couple of new voices in there. If you're on US English, natural voices they say, so they're designed to sort of give you more natural reading style. But as I'm set to UK English, I don't think I'll get offered those. Oh, there we go, there's the new ones that are being offered. I think I must have changed my language settings so that I could get some other stuff installed. So there you go. So we've got some new voices for that. So you can give that a try. It'll narrate or read out what's on the screen, that kind of thing. And there's some new key inputs as well. So if you're using accessibility features, you'll like that. Let me close that for now. Another thing that Microsoft has changed is the media controls which appear on the lock screen when playing music matches the media controls in quick settings. I'll fire up some media to show you. So this is the media controls on the quick settings, and on the lock screen that matches that style. Now something else has changed. As I'm resizing my windows here using the Snap Assist, you can see you've got the File Manager or the File Explorer icon there as you do that. So there you can see it with if I resize this window, media player sharing the other side of the screen. So there's a nice little visual indicator of what's happening. Windows Alt K brings up the confirmation of mute, unmute, and I can't do that through here because I'm not in the Teams call, but it's a nice little shortcut that you've got there. The other thing that's changed is the advanced settings here for storage options has been cleaned up, so it looks more like Windows 11. Spot another one as well. This isn't release notes, but look at the little icon there showing that the battery's being charged. It's got the little power indicator to show it's plugged in, and rather than a plug, it shows a little power line on there. Looks quite good. There's still some fixes in this build. They fixed Task Manager issue that would crash when Performance tab. They fixed the flyout for the hardware indicators for volumes will now show the level. Let's have a look what it means by that. There's the volume indicators. I'm pretty sure it showed that before, but they fixed issues with certain characters that weren't working in the out-of-box experiences, like umlauts, things like that. Fixed some crashing of OneNote as well, some File Explorer issues, and some taskbar issues. There's only a few known issues with this build actually now. Sometimes taskbar will flicker when switching input methods. I haven't seen that. After clicking on search, the search panel may not open. That's been in the notes for ages, but I've not had that at all. And they fixed some issues with widgets may not show the temperature. Mine's showing okay. I have seen it a couple of times where it showed up where it didn't show it at first, but then it's updated it. So that's it really. There's not a huge amount of issues with this build. Overall, I mean, these builds are looking quite good now, quite stable, and there should be a February update coming out for non-Windows Insiders soon, which includes some of the new features that Windows Insiders have seen, and I'll do a separate video of that. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. You can find out more on thedigitalLifestyle.com.